Morning, everybody. It's 8:42 on this Tuesday morning, beginning of a short week, and we were supposed to have Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30, but I haven't seen anything either on CNBC or going into Google and looking it up. So maybe the calendar is wrong or the time, or in any event, we don't have it. Okay, when I came down this morning at 7, we were down 50 in the Dow. That declined to minus 123 on earnings, primarily Goldman Sachs, but Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. Goldman Sachs was a miss, and the stock is trading down 898 at 365.02. Um, Pretty much across, all product lines. Morgan Stanley, no real big deal. The stock is basically unchanged this morning. Um, where most of what's on TV this morning is from Davos, from the World Economic Forum, and there's nothing overwhelming going on there. Um, and the Dow right now is down 132. Nasdaq is down about 45. S&P is down about 9. Alibaba, new stake. Ryan Cohen, he's the co-founder of um, Chewy, as well as the chairman of GME, GameStop. And so he is taking on an activist role in Alibaba, and his focus is more stock buybacks. I don't know whether he means the stock that is nothing more than a tracking stock or the actual A shares. But in any event, it's not having too much effect on the markets. NATI, takeover bid by Emerson. It's a $53 bid, um, but the stock is actually trading 54.05, up 708 or 15%. And so we don't really know whether it's a competing bid that they're looking for or some other reason, like those CVRs that a couple of the biotech companies received with takeover deals for meeting specific um, signposts along the way and adding to profits. Chart on the screen is Bitcoin, and it's been a monster. This is a daily. In the last 3 days, it has gone from, let's just bring this in a little, it has gone from a close here at 17.6. Next day, up 15.40 to 19.155. Another move up on Friday of about 400, but solidly holding. And then over the weekend, another 17.50. Although, this is a market that trades 24/7 in the underlying. So, this is not all that unusual. What is unusual, though, is the fact that, it has come out of this base. It still has not solidly crossed to the upside, and I can't imagine that 25,000 is going to be easy. But when you look at this, and it's 8 or 10 weeks ago when it was 14,935, and now is 50% higher at 21.3. That's a pretty amazing move. Okay, let's just take a look and see what else happened over the weekend, because this is basically 2 days, although the futures electronic sessions actually took place for a half a day yesterday. We had the oil all the way down to 78 and change. um, possibly on the Chinese disappointment in GDP, but not as bad as feared. So we've gone from 78.5 back to 80.31, and that is up on the day. Heating oil basically unchanged. Gasoline up a penny and a half, and nat gas actually up 16 cents. Got a long way to go. Gold is down about 7. The silver is down about 15, 14, 15 cents, and the copper is down 6 cents. And Dennis mentioned to me over the weekend that the commitment of traders shows that the commercials, the professionals, are building a short position there. So that doesn't necessarily have to take place overnight, but it is an overhang. As I said, S&P down about 8, Nasdaq down 35, Dow down 127 with fair value, Russell down $4. The dollar is down a little, even though bonds are down, interest rates up. So there you have it. Hope everyone had a good weekend.